Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook couldn't play Reels video problem in Facebook. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Facebook application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Facebook application. Update your Facebook application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your Facebook application. Click on Reels icon. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook could not play Reels video problem in Facebook. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.